guys, welcome back to Momina's Mixed Plate. I'm super excited for my segment today because I have this really bubbly, really beautiful actress in the studio with me. Her name's Madiha Imam. You guys probably know her from Dhani. It was one of her first plays. She has been doing really well. She's a VJ turned actor, and I'm super excited to get to know her. She's one of the most remarkable things about Madiha is that she is an avid learner. I think that's the best way to explain how she conducts her life, and she is wanting to learn. Like, she's like pretty much like a sponge, and she wants to just take in everything. Before we get into the segment with her, you guys don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be part of the Momina's Mixed Plate family, and let's welcome on Madiha Imam.
Hi.
Hi.
Assalamu
alaikum.
How are you?
बिल्कुल ठीक, क्या हाल है?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक.
Okay, guys, so the segment we're doing today is 20 things that you guys did not know about Madiha Imam. Are you ready to tell us 20 things about yourself?
Yes.
Okay. So, Madiha, you have 4 sisters.
Yes, I'm the youngest.
You're the youngest of 4 sisters.
Yes.
Tell me about that. Tell me about your
technically,
sisters.
I have 4 mothers.
You have 4 mothers.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's nice because मेरी तीनों बहनें मुख्तलिफ हैं. They're different from each other. So if I want advice, I'll go to my second sister. If I want some lecture, I'll go to my first sister. If I want to hang and chill, I'll go to my third sister. And if I want all of it, I'll go to my mother. So
all in one is the mom.
Yeah, my mom's pretty my mom's the youngest of my 4.
Yeah, and your parents
mothers.
are like very progressive from what I've heard from
Yes.
your, like, you know, they've really like allowed you guys, girls, to do what you guys want.
Yeah.
What was your childhood like?
My childhood, I think I was very close to my grandmother. So I mostly have memories with my dadi ma, less with my mom and my father, बस वो जो आपको याद रह जाता है. So I just remember all of these memories with my grandmother when, you know, she'd feed me, she'd tell me to tell her gossip. कि किसने क्या कहा, what did Khala say, what did Chachu say. And my dadi, my nani, my grandparents, they were all lawyers. So they were pretty like, you know, they were always telling me to read. So my dadi used to read to me as a child. So all of that, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So it was like a nice, fun, happy family kind of a vibe.
Yes.
Like
A big family.
Big fam.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're 3 sisters, and हमारे भी घर में यही हो रहा होता है. Like, you know, like my middle sister and like a youngest one, I'm the eldest.
Okay.
So we're also kind of like the same thing, like we're constant, like under हमारे
Chatterboxes,
like, you know, like, and each one of us is very different from the other. So like my middle sister is the voice of reason for everyone. My youngest one is the Dadi Amma, who's like, you know, environment and like conserve everything.
Oh, you've told me about her.
Yes, I told you about her.
Yes.
So you went to IVS for filmmaking.
Yeah.
Right? But you're also interested in education as a subject.
Very much.
So are you pursuing it as a degree, or are you just studying it for your own independently?
I want to study it so that I know what's happening, especially in my own country, because dunya bhar mein to education has, like, I mean, it's way advanced than from where we are right now. But I want to know everything that the book holds, and then I'll see where life takes me if I get a chance to teach all faculties. I don't want to teach students. I want to teach the administration. I want to work very closely with the faculty of different institutions and see कि वो कितनी. I think it's for anybody to be successful, you need to be very emotionally intelligent.
Another thing that you mentioned earlier to me was that you are also interested, you love to read about psychology.
Yes, and that sounds so boring, but I'm telling you, psychology, it's better than fiction.
Yeah, that's something that I really was
It's crazy because I have read fiction. It's not like I don't. Lekin with psychology, there's so much that you learn about yourself. That, oh, this is what, if I do this, these are the patterns that I must not follow. If you dream like this, then this might be true. Because again, science is still evolving. Science ne aapko complete information to nahi diya hai. But if you read about psychology, it's like, I mean, I have been reading about mind's consciousness, and if you follow that chart that you've been given, oh my God, it's crazy. Yeah.
Acha, now this is your 4th drama with Sherazad.
Damn it.
Sheru.
I laughed. How mean. So we had the team come over yesterday on our set, and they were like, "Tu set pe tantrums kaun throw karta hai?" And I was like, "My director." Forget the actors. So if the director throws those tantrums, then the actors are like, "Okay, now we have to follow and be like."
Because Sherazad ज़्यादा tantrum throw नहीं करती है, और जब वो अगर कभी वो थोड़ा नाराज हो जाए ना, then you know.
And I'm like, करना तो आप नहीं है.
What's the best thing about working with her?
Sherazad, I mean, I think she's very professional.
Yeah,
And I
that she
admire people who are professional. They show up on time, you know what your dialogues are like, you know how you'll go around the scene. There's going to be camera rehearsal, director's rehearsal, and whatever.
Apart from her professionalism, what sets her apart as a director?
That I sound so wrong, but I want to say it. That she's a woman.
Yeah.
So I mean, I think वो औरतों का एक probably मैं भी हूँ तो मुझे सुकून रहता है.
हाँ.
That she'll understand if I were to say it like this. And I, as an actor, do have a couple of reservations when I'm conducting myself on set. And अगर फिर कोई director तंग हो रहा है, producer तंग हो रहा है, तो फिर मैं पीछे हो जाती हूँ कि ठीक है, then maybe this script is not for me. But she understands that. She's like, if you have these reservations, then I'll work around them. It's very sweet of her.
I mean, she's a wonderful person. She's a very good friend of mine. So I always like, because I always see her in a non-work environment.
So it's different.
It's very different. So I always wonder what she's like on set, because I want to visit her set one of these days. But and hopefully I'll get to, because she runs a very tight ship, and you know she's like, I know like what she's like as a person. So I always wanted. So I was like, okay, I'm going to ask you, कि
I'm sure it's different then.
हाँ. और मैंने एक और बात बड़ी मजे की सुनी है मदीहा के बारे में कि ये खाने का बहुत शोर मचाती हैं. इनको भूख बहुत लगती है, पर ये खाना चिड़िया की तरह खाती हैं.
नहीं, क्योंकि मेरा मसला ये, अब आप सोचें, मुझे अम्मी कह रही थी कि अगर वो आपसे पूछें आपका टैलेंट क्या है, तो उनको बोलना मेरा टैलेंट है कि मैं अपनी माँ को हर लम्हे तंग कर सकती हूँ. So my mom मुझे ये जवाब देना जाके. And why did she say that? Because I want food every single hour, small portions, लेकिन मैं repeat नहीं कर सकती खाना. So you can't take 12 meals every day for somebody, right? And my mom's like, बड़ा तुम्हारा नखरा है कि अभी तो दिया था खाना, वही खाओ. And I'm like, no, I want something different. My taste buds.
But I'm the same way. Oh my God,
So
your mother and my mother should have a conversation with each other, because Mama's constantly tongue with me as well, because I also want small portions throughout the day and I don't want to repeat. Like I can't have lunch and dinner.
That sounds like nakhra, but I mean, can you imagine your taste buds? आप एक चीज कितनी बार खा सकते हैं यार?
नहीं, पर हमें कैसे मुल्क में रहते हैं जहाँ खाने की इतनी कमी है, और वो फिर आपको फिर वो भी ख्याल आता है. मैं कहती हूँ अच्छा यार मैं खा लेती हूँ ये दोबारा.
और मुझे इतना गुस्सा आता है when I'm like, अम्मा खाना दे दे, she'd put this much खाना, and I'm like, you know me, I'm 30, I've been living with you for 30 years. How could you put so much खाना?
हाँ.
When you know कि मैं इतना से खाऊंगी.
और मैं
जाया कर दिया. मैंने कहा निकाला क्यों था? खुद निकाल दिया करो. And I'm like, oh my God, this conversation is never ending.
Okay, next one. Childhood crush that you still have a crush on.
Childhood crush. I don't have a crush on my childhood crushes anymore.
You don't? Any childhood crush that we can know about?
Yes. This was probably.
Yes, of course.
Everybody knows. So this was probably in the 7th standard. Who is Nick Jonas's brother?
Joe?
I forget. Joe Jonas.
Haan.
Oh my God. Camp Rock? Camp Rock. So I watched Camp Rock and I was like, I want him to be my boyfriend. Who knew if Priyanka can get Nick, then anybody from Pakistan could have got.
Acha, what's your favorite hobby?
Favorite hobby? I want to make it sound interesting. I don't want to say reading.
No, but that's a good hobby to have.
Writing is not boring, right?
Nothing
I'm
is
just
boring.
trying to make everything.
Be yourself.
मुझे breakup की vanity बनाने. अच्छा, I have done that, but no, I think I like writing, but I don't like writing stories. If I were to see something and I really like how it looks, then I want to write. I want to dedicate a brief note to it, and then I'll date it so that I remember, like you know.
अब तुम लिखना जरा आज के सेगमेंट के बारे में
कि मैंने खूबसूरत मोमना को देखा था, वो गुजरती हुई जा रही थी, पीछे से हवा चल रही थी, और तारीख क्या है?
तारीख आज है, I think क्या है आज?
उर्दू में लिखूंगी.
हाँ. अच्छा, what's your most annoying habit? Apart from asking for food every.
Well, it is pretty annoying, but when I see my mom go to bed, I just can't stand it. I'm like, कुछ करे, तो I'll always poke and like wake her up, and she'll be like, जब मैं सोती हूँ. Everything is about my mother.
अच्छी बात है.
So I poke her when she just goes to sleep. I'm like, wake up! उठे. I don't like you resting.
I don't like you resting.
Yeah.
Even I get a little like, I'm like, are you feeling okay? If you're napping, my mom's like trying to take a nap or lazy. I'm like, what are you doing?
So I want my mom to constantly like, you know, घर में कुछ कर रही हो, television देख रही हो. That's nice. The moment she goes to, I'm like, why is she sleeping? Let's do something.
Acha, next thing. How would someone get your attention? Like your special attention?
Special attention. By acting, but just like not overconfidence. That's what I mean, मैं तो उल्टा जवाब दे रही हूँ. But somebody who's a little modest in the way they conduct themselves, a little like, you know, धीमा. I really like that.
You like that?
Yeah.
अच्छा, next thing. Since you love to eat, चूजे की तरह, like चिड़िया की little चोंच चल रही होती है. What's the one thing I'll always find in your fridge?
In my fridge. So I and my friends, because we have been like आजकल छुट्टियां चल रही हैं, so we tend to make these boards, nacho boards.
Oh,
Not cheese. I'm not too fond of cheese.
Oh,
But we
really?
do have a cheese dip. So I mean, my friend likes the jalapeno dip, whatever.
Yeah.
I like normal jalapenos, then pickles and all of that. So I have all of
like a
that in my
grazing
fridge.
board.
So we try to assemble things. अब पकाना नहीं आता मुझे इतना अच्छा खाना. My friends know how to cook. But in my fridge right now, उसके सारे bottles रखी हुई हैं. So that's there. Then hummus you'll always find, because I usually carry that on set, because जब आपकी energy जा रही होती है तो फिर you want something. And then regular stuff.
What's the one thing that you would want to be remembered by? Like for, actually remembered for.
If I get to do this, कि faculty को समझा दूँ मैं
Education.
इस तरह कि वो अपने syllabus में emotional intelligence के लिए भी please कुछ incorporate करें. That would be wonderful. And no punishments, please.
I hate punishments.
No physical
There's
punishments. You can, I mean, tell the student that this is what's going to happen, detain them, whatever, but nothing physical. Please don't.
Yeah, it's
Please
terrible.
don't. It's traumatizing. Please don't.
यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा है. Okay,
Corporate
one celebrity you will rate 10 out of 10.
One celebrity, 10 out of 10. There's so many.
ले लो ना.
Male celebrity, female celebrity, anybody. So I have had a great time working with Hina Bayat, Irsa Ghazal, Faisal Qureshi, Fawad Khan. They're like amazing professional individuals to work with. Wahaj Ali, like very true to the script, very, very honest, and yeah, 5.
5.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Acha, who has been your favorite co-star?
My favorite co-star, I'll have to give it to Wahaj and Faisal. Faisal के साथ मैंने 4 projects किए, Wahaj के साथ 2. Even Bilal Abbas, very good to work with.
Very good to
Very good to work with. Oof.
What's your superpower?
My superpower, that I can very clearly remember my dreams, even like बहुत दिन गुजर जाएं और मैं reality भूल जाती हूँ. That's my superpower. So if you tell me what happened yesterday, I won't remember. But if you ask me कल ख्वाब में क्या आया था, I'll be like, oh ये हुआ था. फिर मैं इधर मुड़ी थी और फिर space trip आ गई थी.
फिर spaceship आ गई थी, मुड़ी थी spaceship आ गई थी.
But seriously, I dream such weird things.
I once dreamt, and I still remember this dream, कि एक नया star form हो रहा है.
हुआ था जो बीच में, there was a planet.
I mean, like this is like when I was a kid.
Oh, sorry.
और वो orange का जो अंदर का वो नहीं होता, like you know the little droplets of orange.
Oh, the fruity thing.
Yeah, the fruity part. Like you know, like when you open up and there's like little like drops.
The fibers, whatever.
Yeah, fibers. के उससे वो बन रहा है पूरा, and there's just the whole sky is full
That's
of it.
a
And
fancy dream.
it was a very nice dream.
And how cool dreams can be.
Yeah, they can be really cool. You've talked about. Did you ask about your superpower?
Yes, you did.
Yeah,
Just
I
right
did.
now, yeah.
Actually, you're working on a film with Mahira and Fawad.
Ji.
Huh? So tell me about that. Like, what was the experience like, and when is it coming out?
I still have a couple of days left, and for which I have to go really short.
Oh, for your hair?
Yeah.
I
again,
love short hair, and your hair, short hair, looked really good on you.
मैं थक जाती हूँ अब. 2018 से छोटे हैं. So I'm like, these are extensions.
Oh,
Yeah, I have short hair again.
amazing.
So I have to match continuities, तो उसकी वजह से बार-बार कटवाने पड़ते हैं. अभी तो dye हुए हैं, but I'll have to, so everything. But I don't have scenes with Mahira in it. It's mostly with Fawad and Behrosa and Atika ma'am. So it was fantastic, and I think because Fawad has produced the film also, and I've mentioned this earlier, he's a great producer to work with. A very wise, smart producer who knows what a set would be like.
Would be like and should look like.
Should look like.
Yeah.
And probably because he has that experience, he understands किस तरह a film set. Oh my God, he's done a great job.
Okay, I'm really looking forward to it.
Great.
And what's your character like in it?
So I am playing a publicist, and this is like, I can't give out too much information, but I mean it's nice. It's
Nice.
a small part, but a very good part.
Okay, amazing. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, me too.
What's the one thing that makes you smile?
When, like, you know how sometimes foreign नहीं होता, but how sometimes when you are with a group of actors on set every single day, or कोई senior या फिर कोई anybody, but especially if seniors come up to you, which just happened recently, and hug you and go like, "उफ, तुम्हारी कितनी प्यारी energy है," and you're like, "Damn it." Like,
You
जो
do have
seniors
really
होते
good
हैं-
energy. Like you have,
No, but
it
with
emanates
senior-
through the screen as well. It actually does.
Like, you know, with seniors, because they've evolved and they've lived for so much longer than you have, और वो आपको प्यार करें, and then they say something like, तुम होती हो तो फिर सेट की रौनक, एंड देन यू फील लाइक डैम इट। और फिर आप घर जाए तो अम्मा कहती है हमारे घर में तो नहीं होती है।
हाँ, तो ये सारी अम्मियाँ ही कहती हैं बाहर सबके लिए अच्छा होता है, अंदर आके सारे सड़ियल
तो
भर के-
बोलो कि अपनी बेटी को तो तुम, अपनी माँ को तो तुमने ऐसे रखा हुआ है जैसे मैं बाहर की हूँ, और तुम ले आओ अपनी नापा को के अम्मा।
अच्छा, before we go,
Yeah.
tell me what makes you truly happy. Like, खुशी किस चीज से? मतलब यहाँ पे लोग को भी पूछते नहीं आपसे कि आप खुश हो। हर कोई पूछता है ये कैसा चल रहा है, वो कैसा चल रहा है। कभी कोई पूछता नहीं आपसे कि आप खुश हो जो कर रहे हो जिंदगी में। So what makes you truly happy?
When I'm content with what I have right now in life, because always you're just constantly thinking of something else, that if this works out for me, if the interview goes well, or if I get the right kind of outfit to wear, all of these things, kuch na ho dimag mein, and I'm like, I'm just happy right now with what I have at the given time.
Yeah, present.
Wo, yeah.
Yeah, that's
And it
wonderful.
happens quite a few times.
And that's very wise, and it's a very good way to
But
live.
you have to constantly keep reminding yourself also.
Yeah, of course,
that
you do.
know.
Of course,
Haan.
because you have to constantly bring yourself into the present.
Yeah, I think
to
so.
be like, okay, this is
it.
what I have, and this is what I have to be happy
And nothing
with.
else is guaranteed
Yeah,
anyway.
nothing else is
तो
guaranteed.
फिर आपको easy
Yeah.
लगता है.
It was
Yeah.
wonderful talking to you, Madiha.
Wonderful talking to
Yeah,
you.
and I wish you all the best for all your projects, and I can't wait to see you on screen, and hopefully get you back in the studio for
Yeah.
another Chatpata
Yes, why not? Why
segment.
not? Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much. And guys, I hope you all enjoyed this segment. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be part of the Moment as Big Spade family, and I'll see you next time. Take care.